Hi guys, my name is Elena and welcome to my garden. Looks very peaceful, right? But it wasn't always like this, especially when we just got the house. Just a few years ago, I didn't know that much about gardening, but I knew one thing. I wanted to create a special place, a space of serenity and calmness where you go to unwind and recharge. So I surrounded myself with dozens of books about different gardens from different parts of the world. Different look, different approach, different types of plants. And while doing my research, I figured out one little secret of finding your garden style, as I think, is when you look at the pictures of different gardens, try and imagine yourself living in those gardens. How does it make you feel? I promise you, when you find the right one, you will feel it. Because that what happened to me. One day, while I was looking through the books, I stumbled across this one. Japanese Gardens of Kyoto. It felt like falling in love, maybe a little exaggeration, but every single picture in this book was giving me goosebumps. When I was imagining those pictures being real outside my house and I'm living in that garden, maintaining it, walking through it, it was giving me so much excitement, and this is when I started planning my garden. Finally, all the images from my Pinterest board started coming together, and it felt so exciting to do the planning and visualize. And after long preparation, we started buying plants. But there was one thing that wasn't allowing me to feel completely happy. It was an anxiety about things not moving quick enough. But luckily for me, everything started changing after giving birth. I remember how raw was sudden realization of not being able to stick to the plan or not even having time to do anything from the plan. But just fully diving into this feeling taught me one thing I never had: patience. Then I realized that in order to feel and find the happiness in all the wonderful chaos that comes with my new life, I need to learn quite a few things.
Slowing down.
Exactly, slowing down.
Slowing down.
Slowing down. Finding beauty in simple things. A wet cup.
Less is more.
Your heart.
I don't mean it about plants.
Watching my child grow and celebrating his small milestones taught me to enjoy every single moment and savor it. And in the garden project as well. I don't want it to happen and finish as soon as possible anymore. I want to watch it grow slowly and grow with it. Remember, both gardens and personal growth take time. Being patient, providing consistent care, and finding beauty in the journey, whether you're tending to plants or a new baby. The principles of balance and growth remain the same. Embrace the process and watch as both your garden and your life flourish. Share in the comments how you find your balance in your life. Do you have a garden? How does it help you? Let's grow together.